Literary Essay, Lesson 3. In today's lesson, we'll be revisiting a short story that we've read in class called Raymond's Run. There is a new vocabulary term that we're going to be using today, and that is claim. And a claim is to state or assert something is true or should happen based on the author's opinion. Our learning target for today is I can ask questions about a story to generate a claim. So what is a claim? It is a statement that an author believes to be true or an opinion. And we're going to be thinking about some questions about our story Raymond's Run. So what was mentioned over and over? What did the character learn? What did you learn from the story? What did the author teach you? And how does this story connect to your life? And then, based on your answers, you're going to come up with a claim about the theme of the story. Story discussion. So we're going to talk about a few things that appear throughout the story of Raymond's Run that happen over and over again. So one of the things that happen over and over again is that the main character talks a lot about how she has to look after her brother. She also mentions multiple times throughout the story that her brother is different than all the other kids. She also mentions a lot that she loves to run. And then at the very end of the story, she is happier when she sees her brother running during her race than actually winning the race. So those 4 little bullet points are going to help us to create our claim. So before we start working on making up a claim, we have to go over again what a theme is. So a theme of a story is the important idea or lesson repeated or developed throughout a text. So when we are making our claim, we are focusing on the theme of the story. So now let's discuss some possible claims that we can make from our short story, Raymond's Run. So one possible claim is that sharing an important part of your life with someone else can make you closer. Another possible claim is that sometimes helping others can offer a greater sense of an accomplishment than winning. It's necessary to be physically and mentally strong to succeed in sports, or girls are encouraged to compete with each other instead of being friends. All 4 of these claims or themes can be found throughout the story, but one of them is better than the others because you're going to be able to support that with evidence a little bit easier. One key detail is if you cannot find a lot of information or a lot of evidence to support your theme, then it's not going to be a very strong theme or a strong claim. So I'm going to let you figure out which of these 4 claims is the best one to use when talking about the theme of Raymond's Run. And that brings us to the end of our lesson for today. So here are your exit ticket questions. What is a claim? What claim did you make about the story we discussed? So did you come up with your own claim, or do you agree with one of the possible claims that were given to you? And then you're going to use evidence from the story to begin writing about the claim, whether it's one that you chose or one that was provided for you.